Well, hello all. So I have this friend, every time I make something, some sort of dish, I always show him what my food looks like. And he said I should make one and put it on my YouTube channel. And I said, okay, I might just do that, but I don't know how to really edit and do all kinds of videos on YouTube, so I thought I would do on this and put it on my YouTube. Hold on. So I'm going to make mushroom barley. So here is the barley, vegetable broth, panini mushrooms, aged sherry vinegar, 1 onion, 8 ounces of carrots, some thyme, and a few other things. I had to do this before I chopped those onions and had onion eyes. It says for sliced mushrooms, and I don't really feel like slicing them all, but if you actually have an egg slicer, technically for your eggs, you can just press it down and hold on. Pop it out and you'll have, you get the idea, sliced tomatoes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to heat a little bit of olive oil and throw in one whole onion. Since this is going to go into my slow cooker, this is actually my air fryer, pressure cooker, slow fryer, all that. I'm going to do the slow cooker now. Hold on, I'm going to do slow cook, and I'm going to do vegetables and hit the start button. This way it can get all warmed up for when I need to put all the ingredients in there. And I do use a liner bag in case you're curious. Is anybody else also one of these people that do clean up as you go so you don't have a pile of dishes at the end? Let me know, I'd be curious. So here's all my mushrooms I used with the egg slicer. I'm just going to dump it all in here. Okay, cook them for another couple minutes and let them sweat down. Okay, now that it's sweat a little bit, you're supposed to add in 4 sprigs of thyme. I guess I have a little bit more, but this is fresh thyme. And 1.5 cups of barley. If you have one of these measuring things, they are amazing. I got it way back in the day from Pampered Chef. And you're supposed to do this a couple minutes until the barley becomes golden. Okay, it's been a couple minutes or so. Now it's time to add it to the slow cooker. Okay, you need to go get more. 3 cups of, it says, low sodium vegetable broth. Okay, here's the other cup of vegetable broth with 1/2 cup of water. Sorry, the glare's in here. And it says 8 ounces of carrots, which is actually about 3 chopped up. And I'm going to give it a quick stir, and now we just need it to slow cook for the 2 some odd hours until this is all absorbed, and we will come back in a couple hours. See you then. Okay, it's done. We're going to add a little Parmesan cheese and a tablespoon of this aged sherry vinegar. It was $8 for a tablespoon. That's expensive. Okay, let me stir it up, and it's also to remove the sprigs of thyme. Okay, let's try it. It's really good. Try it. Let me know if you try it.